Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. Today I want to walk you through this all-new Boston Whaler 17 Montauk. It's a very popular model for here in our Minnesota market. So I'll walk you through what we got. So obviously 17-foot Montauk. This is a white hull with the blue along the side and then the Boston Whaler on the back. So that is a really nice looking color with this boat. We did get the teak option, so there's teak up here on the side, and then a little bit of teak in the back of the boat as well. Up in the bow, this is an option you can have where you have these removable pads. So if somebody wants to sit up here, it's a nice place to sit. If you're going to use the boat for maybe some fishing, you can take these pads off. There's just snaps underneath, and then there's storage underneath there for maybe a anchor, and then some other little things. It could be a cooler as well. Speaking of the cooler, there is a removable cooler here in the front, and that also can be removed. The pad can be removed if you'd like, or take the cooler out, fill it up, put it back on the boat. And then this one does have the fishing package. You'll see a couple different things. So you got your rod holders up here. You've got your nice backrest, which can be taken off as well. We did equip this one with the bimini, and it does have the same color as the side of the boat with the blue, so that matches really nicely. As we come up to the helm, we do have an access door right in here for some storage, and your battery switch and your batteries are in there as well. Up at the helm, obviously we have the controls, the steering wheel, and then a few other options up there. We do have the JL audio head unit up there, along with JL audio speakers throughout the boat as well. Then at the helm, this is obviously a Montauk, so you got a nice center console right here. We do have a backrest that is movable, so you can move it in different positions, facing forward. I can move it and face it all the way aft if I'd like. A lot of people like to face it forward and then just stand with their feet there and their back against the backrest. It's very comfortable to drive that way. Again, fishing package. So underneath this seat right here is the live well that just opens up. You can obviously fill that up with water and put your fish in there if you'd like. In the back, we got two jump seats. They both have backrests that are removable, so if you're not using them, and then the seats themselves are also removable. We do have the Mercury 4-stroke 115 horsepower engine with the stainless steel prop. So for this 17-footer, a lot of power behind it if you'd like to use it for more than just fishing. And then along with that, we did get the skeeto bar. So you've got a nice skeeto bar, full tuber steers. So if you're going to use it for recreation and not fishing at the moment, it's a great option to have. So the 17 Montauk here at our Minnesota location. If you'd like to come take a look at it, you can give us a call or just stop on by. We'd love to show it to you. As always, please click the like button for these videos and click to subscribe to see all the videos we're putting out every day.